As Delhi continues to reel under toxic air post-Diwali, the Supreme Court has slammed the Commission for Air Quality Management and questioning its preparedness. The court was informed that only 9 out of 37 air quality monitoring stations were operational during Diwali, which raises serious doubts about the enforcement of the Graded Response Action Plan. The political fallout has been swift, where Rahul Gandhi has accused the BJP government of criminal negligence, saying that it has failed to protect citizens from hazardous pollution. In response, Delhi Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa hit back, saying that the disease of pollution was left behind by the Congress and the AAP. He also said that it was the previous government's inaction that the air quality of Delhi is getting worse over the years. Let's listen in.
राहुल गांधी जी आज वीडियो डालकर पूछ रहे हैं कि दिल्ली का AQI ऐसे कैसे खराब हुआ। राहुल गांधी जी, ये किसी और ने खराब नहीं किया। 15 साल तक कांग्रेस की सरकार ने ये शुरुआत करी और 10 साल बाद में अरविंद केजरीवाल, जो आपका सहयोगी है, जो आपके इंडिया का हिस्सेदार है और चुनाव मिलकर लड़ते हो जिसके साथ, 10 साल तक उन्होंने बर्बाद की। मैं बताना चाहता हूं, पिछले एक दशक, पिछले 10 साल के सबसे साफ दिन रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार ने इस साल दिए हैं। मैं आपको यह भी बताना चाहता हूं कि सबसे गंदे दिन अब तक के यह भी आपके 25 साल की सरकार में रहे हैं। कम सबसे गंदे दिन अगर रहे हैं तो वो भी रेखा गुप्ता जी की सरकार।
After a steady decline all through October, the number of stubble burning incidents have seen a sharp increase in the 6 neighbouring states of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh as well as Uttar Pradesh over the past few days. In fact, according to the latest data, satellite data as monitored by the Indian Agriculture Research Institute, over 230 such fire counts were reported during the last 24 hours. This, of course, is lesser than the previous day when it peaked at about 535 such incidents. Now, this is, of course, the season's highest count of farm fires reported in just 24 hours. And the data also shows that most of these cases are now coming from Punjab, where the farmers are rushing to clear their fields within a tight sowing window ahead of the sowing of Rabi crops, which is usually done before 15th of November. Now, we reported earlier that the harvesting operations were delayed in Punjab in the aftermath of